Bachelor of Computer Applications (BCA) is a 3-year undergraduate degree course in computer applications. The program is designed to provide students with a strong foundation in computer science and information technology, with a focus on practical skills and applications. Some of the subjects that are typically covered in a BCA program include programming languages such as C, C++, and Java, data structures and algorithms, computer organization and architecture, database management systems, computer networks and communication, web development and design, software engineering, data analytics and business intelligence. In addition to these technical subjects, BCA programs may also include courses in business and management to help students develop a well-rounded skill set that can be applied in various industries. BCA graduates can pursue careers in software development, web design, database management, network administration, and other IT-related fields. They may also choose to continue their education by pursuing a master's degree in computer science or a related field.